It should go for most bitmap applications, I guess. Should be fairly similar in whatever application you're using. Okay, so that's it. And we could make sure you save that path. So we're going to use the text tool now. Just make it hit one of these guys. And now, yeah, let's see. Yeah, you see that? How I just made these guys just by doing that. Could adjust the height as well. So this could be -5, no, -3, 50, perhaps. The spacing here could be higher, 25. Let's see. I think I need to up this one a bit. Yeah, you get the point. So so I can make these guys. I'm going to make it white. I'm gonna take this one. Yeah, -5. -4. So you get something that is of use. So I think that made something pretty good. And now it's just a matter of tweaking this slightly. You'd also have casting shadows and stuff like that, but I'm just gonna leave it at this.